Abdomen sign and symptoms, abdominal pain following DNC. Case history. A 31-year-old woman complained of abdominal pain following a dilation and curettage operation on her uterus. 10 months previously, she had an exploratory laparoscopy for a suspected ovarian cyst. She developed complication after this operation with an infection of the scar and the hematoma in the abdomen. 3 months after that she had a termination of pregnancy, she developed complication and was advised to have a DNC of her womb. Following this procedure, she developed a constant, sharp, lower abdominal pain, pain on intercourse, and mid-cycle bleeding. Her menstrual blood became dark with clot before all this happened. Her periods were painful but not dark and without any mid-cycle bleeding. Apart from the above problems, she also complained of a pronounced tiredness, and on interrogation, it transpired that she suffered from floaters in the afternoon, tingling of her limbs, poor memory, and dizziness. She also complained of lower backache, which she attributed to riding, riddling, and the occasional tinnitus. She felt cold in general and suffered from cold hands and feet. She occasionally also suffered from slight pain, riding pala yun, in the chest with a feeling of palpitation and breathlessness, for which she used an inhaler. Her complexion was rather pale and the shine of her eyes was bright. Her voice sounded clear but with a very subtle tone and sadness to it. Her tongue was pale in general, with paler side, swollen with a stomach crack and rootless coating on the root. Her pulse was weak and choppy, and particularly weak on both rear. Position, the heart position was also particularly choppy. Diagnosis. In diagnosis, we must differentiate the diagnosis of her present acute problem, abdominal pain, dyspareunia, and mid-cycle bleeding following the DNC from that of her underlying condition. The present problem of abdominal pain is clearly due to blood stasis, which is clearly shown by the sharpness of the pain and the darkness of the menstrual blood with clot. The tongue does not show any blood stasis, as it is not purple, due to the relative short duration of this problem. The underlying condition is characterized primarily by 3 problems. Blood deficiency, number 1, pale tongue, floaters, tiredness, tingling, poor memory, and dizziness. There is blood deficiency of the liver, but also of the heart, as evidenced by the palpitation, breathlessness, and the choppy pulse on the heart position. Number 2, stomach and spleen deficiency with some affection of the intestines. The spleen deficiency is manifested clearly by the swelling of the side of the tongue and the tiredness. The stomach deficiency is manifested by the stomach crack and the rootless coating. The fact that the rootless coating is on the root of the tongue shows there is an intestinal pathology. It was only after pointed this out to her that she said that she had also just been diagnosed of suffering from intestinal parasites. Number 3, kidney yang deficiency. Lower back, feeling cold feet and hands, occasional tinnitus. As for possible etiology, the author ventured to say that in his opinion, the main origin of the problem was emotional. So he based this primarily on the choppiness of the pulse, especially on the heart pulse, and its lack of wave, which is usually due to sadness. As the author told her that they thought sadness was the main origin of the problem. She confirmed this by saying that she had been repeatedly sexually abused as a child. So the author thinks this was the emotional cause for the blood deficiency, especially of the heart, and also the kidney deficiency, as the sexual abuse was obviously accompanied by fear, which injured the kidneys. Besides being sexually abused, she was also frequently beaten across the lower back. So they think that the author think that rather than riding was the cause for the lower back ache. So in treatment, one must concentrate on the present acute problem of blood stasis in the abdomen, with a formula to invigorate blood and eliminate stasis such as Watang generating and transforming decoction, which is formula for abdominal pain from blood stasis after childbirth. The termination and DNC are somewhat energetically equivalent to childbirth, without, of course, the pronounced depletion of qi and blood that follows childbirth. Thank you for your attention.